Okay, let's talk about writing the equation of a line. So in order to write the equation of a line, you need the following. You need a point, you need a slope, and then you need an equation generator. So let's go through each one of these. Okay, now we have plenty of points. We have 2 points. The points we have are the points on this graph. The coordinates of the points on this graph are -1, 4, and -5, -2. We can use either one. Let's use the first one because we have fewer negatives. So we're going to use -1, 4. So this is going to be x, and that's y. We need the slope. Now, we can find the slope from the picture, or we can find it using the slope formula. Okay, so let's take a look at finding the slope from the picture. So here is the picture. To find the slope from the picture, you go to either point that you want to. I'm going to start here. Okay. All right. I put my pencil on this point. I'm trying to go to this point. Now, I just can't slide down this line. I have to give direction. So I need to say, go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down 6. Okay. All right, when I go down 6, then I have to go left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 4. Let's double check. Down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, slope from the picture, we always put the rise over the run. The rise is y, the run is x. Now I went down 6. Down is negative, left is negative. So -6 over -4. A negative divided by a negative is a positive, and then I need to reduce this. 2 will go into 6, 3, 2 will go into 4, 2. So the slope is 3/2. Okay, now let's find the slope from the formula. The formula for slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so here are these 2 points. Okay, it doesn't matter which one is point 1 or which one is point 2. It does not matter. So I'm going to call this point 1. If that's point 1, this is x1, y1. This is point 2. So this is x2 and y2. Okay. All right. So m equals y2. Let's go to point 2. This is point 2. This is y2. -2 minus y1. This is point 1. Y1 is 4. Over x2. Go to point 2. This is point 2. And find x. That's -5. Minus x1. Go to point 1. This is point 1. And then this is x. Now, when you are subtracting and have negative numbers, always use parentheses. So we need to simplify this. -2 plus -4. -5. Now, when 2 negatives come together, they negate each other. -5 plus 1. We get -6 over -4 and a positive 3/2. So we have 3/2. We found it graphically and we found it algebraically. So we have the point that we're going to use, and we have the slope, And we said that we're going to, the generator that we're going to use an equation generator. And so we're going to use the slope-intercept generator. So this is y equals mx plus b. Y is the y-coordinate of the point. M is the slope. X is the x-coordinate of the point. Now, we said that we were going to use negative 1, 4. We're going to use negative 1, 4. So this is x and that's y. And we are using y equals mx plus b. So the y-coordinate of the point is 4. My slope we found was 3/2. So I say 3/2 times the x-coordinate of the point, which is negative 1 plus b. We do not know the y-intercept. That's what we're trying to find. Okay? So we have 4 equals negative 3/2 plus b. We want to solve for b, so I add 3/2 to both sides. I get 4 plus 3/2 equals b. Now, in order to add these, I need a common denominator, which is going to be 2. It's 2 because that's the only denominator that we have. 1 to go into 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 3/2, 11/2 is equal to b. So I have everything that I need. I have the slope and I have the y-intercept. Now I just write the equation of the line. So y equals mx plus b. My slope is 3/2 and my y-intercept is 11/2. So this is the equation of my line. Hope this helps, and I'll talk to you later.